Hello, today we cook national food kurdak. For it we need meat of lamb, fats of animal. It can be from lamb or from beef also. We first fry it fats and take from this oil. Here we're not using any different as oils or water. We fry it. When be enough oil, we take out all fats and then we put meat. Turn until it will be white. And once be white, we will cut onion and put half of big spoon salt, also garlic, and mixing. After close cup and make fire silent and cook it 1 hour. If lamb will be young, it will be ready in 1 hour. If will be old animal, it take time more than 1 hour. So you will check when is meat be soft, it means it's ready. So mine is be ready in 1 hour. Top we can to put any grasses, onions. So buon appetito. Put a like, subscribe.